Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to use the Kids A to Z website. This is going to be used for our reading group that we normally have. So you guys will get your login information and you will log into this website and it will look like this. I'm signed in right now as Alexa. So when you log in, this will be the screen. Alexa hasn't done anything on here yet. So everything here will say 0, but the more that you do on this website, these numbers will change. So this right here is like your stats board that tells you everything that you've done. And then down here, you'll see that you have assignments. So everybody has one assessment that they have to do. And then here there are assignments that you can click on. But before we get into that, I just want to show you the different tools on here. So one thing that I think you guys will all really like is if you hover over here where it says reading, you have these different options. You have level up, reading room, assignment, and assessment. So if I click level up, this is the page where if I complete all of these tasks, so here there are 54 tasks, if I complete all of those, then I will level up and go to the next level. So this is the level that Alexa is on, and if she does all of these, she will then bump up to the next one. So everybody has their own levels, and you can level up once you complete all this. It's kind of like a challenge. Then if you hover over again on the spot, you'll see there's reading room. You can pick any books that you want from here. You can pick by topic. So you could pick if you want adventure books, animals and insects, art and music, communities and jobs, and so on, food, friendship. So there's all different kinds of books that you can read here too if you don't like the books that were in the level up area. You can also pick different categories like poems or fiction series, early reading. So that's what the reading room is. It's just basically like a digital library. You go back over to the reading and hover over it. The next one is assignment. And that's where you will see your assignments that I have assigned to you. So here it says that there are 6 assignments. And then when I scroll down, I can see that here are all the assignments that you've been assigned. So you'll click on it, and then you'll do 3 different things. You will listen to it once, where it will read to you, and then I believe you read it on your own and then take a quiz. And then once you do all 3 of those things, listen to it, read it yourself, take the quiz, then that assignment is considered complete. So again, I'm going to go back over here to reading, hover over it. The last tab is assessment. You click that. And I've assigned everybody an assessment to go through and do. You do that, then once you complete that, that will kind of give me a better idea of where I can place you, if I should level you up myself or if you're at the right level. So make sure you take this assessment at some point. Then I'm going to go back home. Now this is the part that I think you guys are all going to like. If I click here where it says backgrounds, and now this is the home page right when you log in, this is what you guys should see. If I click backgrounds, I can pick the background that I want when I log in. So I could have this blue. You earn stars the more and more you read. So this says buy for 200 stars. I'm not gonna buy that right now because this is not my account, but you can see you can pick your background. There's also this avatar builder. So this guy right here is the robot. If you want, you can change it and build it to something else. So I can change its face, its hair, the clothes, its body. So that's something that I think you guys would like. And then there's this, which is also kind of like a game. It's called Raz Rocket. Again, I'm not going to go through and play this because this is not my account, but this is another fun feature that you guys can do. So you can either get to your assignments that I've given you by hovering over here and press assignment, or when you're on your home screen, you can just scroll down and everything will be here. I'd like you guys to do at least 2 assignments a week. So that means read 2 stories a week. You can do at the beginning of the week or at the end, but I'm going to be checking in, and by Friday I want to see that you've completed 2 assignments. Okay, let me know if you have any questions on GoGuardian. Have fun.